Hi guys. So this is just a recording of what we did earlier. In the future, it'll be recording while we teach. I need you guys to have a straight edge. It does not have to be a ruler. It could be a gift card. It could be your bus pass. It could be anything that has a straight edge. Gift cards are the perfect size for these because they fit my little graphs perfectly. Okay?
Mrs. Bales, please contact the office.
All right, so gift card, ruler, anything with a straight edge is what you're going to need. Eventually, not today. But for graphing, that is going to be super important. Okay, so what's important to know about a graph is that we have an x-axis and we have a y-axis. Okay, and this particular graph only shows one quadrant. This graph is only going to show you quadrant 1. We're going to get into the rest of the quadrants later, but we're going to start with basic. Quadrant 1, both your x and your y will be positive, always in quadrant 1. So this here is my ordered pair. And my ordered pairs are always going to be x and then y. So x is always going to be first, y is always going to be second. Whenever we graph, we always start at this point here. This point here is our point of origin. All right, some good information there. So we're always going to start when we graph at our point of origin. We're going to do the x first and then the y second. And here's some more really, really important information that you should probably have in your notebook. Okay, so your x is always going to tell you if you're going left, it will be negative. If you go right, it will be positive. Your y will tell you which direction you're moving. Up if it's positive, and down if it's negative. Okay? Really good information here. So 5, 0, I need to start at my point of origin, and it's going to tell me x is positive 5, so I'm going to go right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my y is 0, so I don't move at all. And this here becomes my ordered pair 5, 0. Earlier today we did number 7 next. So I'm going to move up to number 7. And I'm just going to go ahead and label it again. This is my x-axis. So this is going to tell me if I'm moving left or right. And this is my y-axis. And this here is my point of origin. Okay, so I'm always going to start counting when I'm graphing from this point here. So my ordered pair, x, y, is 9, 6. So starting at my point of origin, it's 9, so it's positive. I'm going to go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'm here. But my y tells me it's a positive 6, so I'm going to go up 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That puts me at my ordered pair, 9, 6. Pretty simple, right? We'll do one more, and I honestly don't remember which one it is. So I'll do 8. So from 8, remember, we start at my point of origin. So I'm kind of phasing out my x and y axis. There's my point of origin. I'm going to do my x's and my y's, right? X tells me up or down, left or right, sorry. And y tells me up or down. So my x is 4, and it's positive, so I'm going to go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1. And there is my ordered pair 4, comma 1. Today's homework was super easy. You should be able to do it with no problem. In fact, I think most of you already turned it in. Tomorrow we're going to go into a little bit more depth working with ordered pairs.